Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and in this video I wanted to give you a quick BOLO to watch for. Notice the play on words there, to watch for. BOLO stands for be on the lookout. These are items that people are actually finding that sell for high profit and are easy to spot. That is my definition of a BOLO. So the item is this Timex moon phase watch, and you can see on the face there a very distinguishable symbol with the navy blue semicircle and the sun inside of that. So this is pretty easy to spot when you're looking in the jewelry counter, or if you're at an estate sale and everything's all laid out. Jewelry is very overwhelming for me because it looks the same and the markings on it are very small, so it can often be hard to see what you have when you are out there shopping. This is a niche I definitely want to learn more about, so I'm starting slowly and wanted to share some bolos with you in the jewelry niche. So anyway, when you're looking in the jewelry counter like this in the picture, it can be overwhelming. So if you have certain things that you're looking for, it makes it easier to spot those high dollar BOLO items. So what we're going to do here is look at the Terapeak product research on eBay and look back 365 days to give you a better picture of the amount of money this item sells for. If you have an eBay basic store or higher, you have Terapeak product research already on your account that you can use anytime you want to. To find that, you want to go to your seller hub, go under the research tab, drop the pull down, and you'll see Terapeak product research. So I entered the keywords Timex moon phase watch and chose 365 days as my time frame. So here are the results, and these are sorted in order of highest to lowest over the last 365 days. So you can see some of the top results there sold for over $200. There are different versions of this watch, but just knowing to look for the face with that very recognizable symbol with the navy blue semicircle with the sun inside of it. If you see that, then you'll know to take some time and do a little bit deeper research to see which one you have and how much it sells for. So you can see here selling prices $240, $209, $200, $199, and then continuing down $163.50. The one that sold for $160 is actually two watches. Another one for $150, $139.95, and then another listing down here for two watches that sold for $132.50. So you get the idea there that this is a high dollar item, and it can be mixed in with all the other jewelry, all the other watches, but now you know to look for this specific item because it can sell for quite a bit of money. And if you are new to selling jewelry and watches, it is sometimes worth the investment to have a non-working watch repaired. So you have to weigh out the cost to do that against the final selling price and your cost to purchase it. You will see plenty of non-working watches that sell on eBay. So that's just a judgment call on your part. Do you want to invest more money in that or sell it as is? And it's really nothing to put a battery in a watch. That is very inexpensive. So anyway, just wanted to make you aware of this item, the Timex Moon Phase Watch, as I continue to build my playlist of my top 100 items to sell on eBay. Make sure you check that out. And would love comments from anyone who is knowledgeable about selling watches, because that's something I want to learn more about, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.